You have probably seen headlines about a proposed $1 lakh fee for OPT applications. This news has created a lot of confusions among international students, especially Indians. But is this rule actually coming into effect? In this video, I'll explain what OPT is, why this proposal is making headlines, who could be affected, and whether you need to worry right now. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's understand what OPT actually is. OPT stands for Optional Practical Training. It is a program that allows international students on a F1 visa to work in the United States after completing their degree. Most international students can work for up to 12 months, while students in eligible STEM programs can extend their OPT by 24 more months, giving them a total of 36 months of work authorization. Many students use this period to gain work experience before applying for an H-1B work visa. Here is the difference between OPT and H-1B. OPT is temporary work authorization available only to international students after graduation, while H-1B is a separate work visa for skilled professionals that requires sponsorship from a US employer. In simple words, many students first work on OPT and later move to an H-1B visa if their employer sponsors them. Currently, if you need to file for an OPT, you need to pay $470 for online filling and $520 for paper filling. So why administration wants to apply $100,000 fee now? Supporters of this proposal say that OPT takes away job opportunities from American workers. They believe a much higher fee could reduce the number of international students using the program. But many universities, employers, and immigration experts disagree. They say international students help the US economy, do important research, and fill jobs in industries like technology, engineering, healthcare, and finance. More than 10 lakh international students come to USA every year, around 3 lakh of which are Indians, who help grow the US economy. Clearly, Indian students are among the biggest groups affected because many use OPT after graduation. A fee this high could make it much harder for students to work in the US after completing their studies. It could also affect the US universities. If studying in the US becomes too expensive, fewer international students may apply. That could reduce university income and also affect companies that hire international graduates. Now, here's the most important part. This is not a new rule. It is only a proposal. It has not been approved and there is no official announcement saying that students must pay $100,000 for OPT. So if you are planning to study in the US, don't make any decisions based only on headlines. Rely on official sources like USCIS and DHS. Also, wait for official updates before changing your plans. We'll keep bringing you the latest and verified study abroad news. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe to the channel, and let us know your questions in the comments. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.